Hello and welcome to the Met Office 10-day trend. Never mind 10 days, all everyone's talking about at the moment is the next 1 day. Truly exceptional heat coming along for Thursday, record-breaking heat. And then the inevitable thundery breakdown Thursday night into Friday and in some places continuing through the weekend. Now those thunderstorms eventually will lead to fresher air arriving from the west heading into the start of next week. More comfortable, I should imagine, for some people, because this will be far from comfortable. Oppressive heat and humidity rising northwards across the whole of the UK virtually on Thursday, just escaping Western Scotland and Northern Ireland. You can see the reds there. Record-breaking heat on its way. Temperatures rising quickly as that hot air arrives on Thursday morning. Long spells of sunshine as well. Just a bit more cloud there for Western Scotland, Northern Ireland. The far southwest, 1 or 2 spots of rain. Showers and thunderstorms starting to break out there across parts of Wales and the northwest of England. But temperatures on the whole are rising, and they're rising really significantly. 29, 30 Celsius south of Scotland, and then widely into the 30s across much of England. East Wales as well. Mid-30s across much of the heart of England, and the headline number there for London, 39 degrees, breaking the July record for the UK. And there's a 70% chance that we'll get above 38.5, so that would give us the UK all-time record. The 30% chance that we won't beat it is down to the fact that there could be some cloud around that could stop the temperature from rising so quickly. However, it is likely to be a record-breaking day, and with that heat and that humidity, we're going to see thunderstorms soon developing, especially across eastern parts of the country into Thursday night, clearing away first thing Friday. Frequent lightning, hail, gusty winds as well. Another lively night to come in places. Further west, it's a lot quieter. Sunny spells breaking out through Friday, but we're behind now a cold front. And that cold front means that it's going to start to feel more comfortable across western parts of Britain. That cold front won't quite reach the east of England, northeast Scotland here. Temperatures into the high 20s again, and still the possibility of 33 degrees or possibly higher across East Anglia. But you can see the considerable difference further west. And it's the slowing down of this cold front that is causing a few headaches here at the Met Office at the moment, because it then starts to cause trouble into the weekend. Along this cold front, we'll see outbreaks of heavy, thundery rainfall, but you can see it doesn't move very far, very fast. Into the start of the weekend, it really slows down. In fact, it comes to a grinding halt across northern and eastern Britain as it meets this beast, this huge anticyclone across Scandinavia. Not only is it a large area of high pressure, but it contains with it all of that heat that we're going to see over the next couple of days. And as that cold front pushes into that heat dome, well, it's not going to move very far. In fact, because it slows down, it's increasingly difficult to predict through the weekend. The jet stream's not going to move it along. That dives to the south. And so that means that we're paying close attention to this area of cloud and rain across northern and eastern Britain on Saturday. Some areas seeing a very wet day indeed, some heavy and thundery outbreaks of rain, particularly for Scotland, northern England, parts of eastern England. Further southwest, Wales, the southwest of England, Northern Ireland, sunny spells and actually feeling quite pleasant with temperatures around average. Temperatures considerably lower where it's raining though, some 15 degrees lower compared to Thursday. Spot the difference by Sunday. The weather front's still there, still bringing rain to more or less the same affected areas. Outbreaks of rain on and off through Sunday, perhaps further thunderstorms. Again, driest, brightest across southwestern areas. But this position of the weather front, don't take it too literally, and I'll show you why. Looking at the combined rainfall totals through Saturday and Sunday from 3 different computer projections, the UK model, the European model and the American model. And you can see the brighter colours there indicating those areas most likely to have a wet weekend. They're in just slightly different positions. Not a tremendous difference, but depending on where you are, it will make a difference to you on the ground. Now, the UK model has it a little bit further west, Western Scotland into Northern England, East Anglia. The American model has it much further east, northeast Scotland, North Sea. The European model, the most likely outcome at the moment, we reckon, central and southern Scotland, parts of eastern England seeing a wet weekend, driest further west. So tricky to predict exactly where the heaviest and most prolonged rainfall will be through the weekend, but either way, that weather front tends to peter out into the start of next week. It's going to be increasingly affected by the high pressure to the east, and it will just become an area of showers moving away to northern Scotland. Meanwhile, the jet stream to our west starts to pick up areas of low pressure, and into Tuesday, into Wednesday, this is the most likely position for the low pressure from the Atlantic to appear. Now, don't be too worried about it. It doesn't look, it's going to be a lot less bad than it looks, is what I'm trying to say. That low pressure will move in, carrying with it outbreaks of rain and showers, but eventually just fizzling out as it meets the high pressure to the east. And then by the end of next week, this is the most likely outcome. Something of a no man's land across the UK. Low pressure somewhere to the west, high pressure somewhere to the east, light winds, a bit of rain in the northwest of the UK, but many places dry with sunshine, 1 or 2 showers, and temperatures rising. And if the winds point from the right direction, we could bring in hot air again much later next week. So, to summarise, certainly we're not looking like record-breaking temperatures after this Thursday for at least a week or so. It's going to be considerably fresher. There'll be some rain into next week and showers, particularly Tuesday, Wednesday. Then it turns warmer and drier in many places. So although it's not going to be exceptional heat and humidity next week, summer is far from over. And of course, you can find much more details. You can keep up to date with all the latest by following us on social media. Bye-bye.